G'day guys, David here from Sunshine Acres down here on the beautiful Gold Coast. It's a beautiful fine day, but you're not here to see the scenery. What you're here for is this wonderful machine. World first, XC1100 delivered, the first machine delivered in the world. Put straight to work within days. What do you reckon? I mean, it does look like the excavator attachment's great for digging a narrow little trench like this where you don't have an excavator. You only had the one machine. I mean, but what a fantastic machine, hey? The Derette XC1100. Two pilots and an IT technician can both get in here and start doing real jobs. While we both admit we're not experts, and some of you experts out there are probably going to have a go at us, we'd really like to hear from you and tell us what we should be doing properly. This must be painful for some of you experts. Yep. There we go. Oh, we got a snag on some serious rock there. Look at that, it goes right back. Oh yeah, there we go. This is where I think this bucket comes in handy. Oh, there we go. Forgot what it's like to be in the city.